Hi, I'm Jo from Polished. Now we believe in being perfectly polished every day, but some of those lessons we learn we could take to the races. So here are the top 5 tips ahead of our racing carnival. We start with the hair, and hair updos are really in fashion at the moment. A great way to style your hair and then complement it with a fabulous hat for autumn. Hats are really important at the races, so don't overlook them. And if you don't want to go the hat, go the fascinator and you'll look just the part. Tip number 2 has got to be about nails. So if you're someone who's very expressive and doesn't have time for a manicure every week, have a look at shellac. It's fantastic, doesn't chip, stays glossy and lasts for 2 weeks. Go a natural colour and then you can blend it with any dress or outfit or hat that you might decide to choose for the races. And our tip 3 for our beauty tips is definitely the tan. I've seen some really bad tans out there, so come and shout yourself in a spray tan and we'll get it looking as natural as possible and a beautiful all over tan so you can wear a fabulous outfit. Our beauty tip number 4 is all about the eyebrows. They frame the face and fantastic because there's so much focus on your eyes when you've got a hat or fascinator on. Make sure they look beautiful and groomed and shaped. And last but definitely not least, our beauty tip number 5 is something that money can't buy. It's your smile. So put a smile on and enjoy the day.